A stock will pay you $2 dividend in the next 10 years. Then you can sell the stock at $40 at the end of year 10. If your required rate of return is 10%, compute the current stock price, how much you are willing to pay to buy this stock. So let's start with drawing the timeline. Today, next year, year 2, and story is a 10-year period. So you will expect to receive $2 dividend every year in the next 10 years, for the next 10 years. And you believe that you can sell the stock at $40 at the end of year 10. So this is D1, D2, and D10. And this is the selling price. So how to compute the stock price? We just discount the future cash flows to the present time. You can discount them one by one, but it takes time because there are 10 cash flows, actually 11 cash flows happen in 10 years. So instead, you can use the annuity formula, right? Because you have the same cash flow for 10 years, and then you discount this $40 separately to the present time. So I will use the annuity formula for the same dividends that you will receive in the next 10 years. And then I will discount the selling price separately. So I need to discount this single cash flow to the current time for 10 years. I write just here N to write it in the general form. So the price will be $2. Interest rate is 10%, so 0.1, 1 minus 1.1, and power is 10, plus $40, 1.1, and power is 10. And if you compute the price, it will be $27.71 US. This means that if a broker is offering this stock to you at, let's say, 28, 30 or more, you won't buy it because it's overpriced. It means if you buy the stock at a higher price, you will earn less than 10%. And if a broker is offering you the same stock at a lower price, it's underpriced, so you will buy it because you will earn more than 10%.